So before I get on with anything else, I'll do a little tutorial on the Corsa. If you all know, they rust out on the quarter panels where the bumper rubs against them. So down here, obviously you won't have my wide arch, but just here is like the end of your quarter panel, which I've smoothed in, so somewhere around here. So what happens is the bumper rubs up and down and chases through your paintwork, and then obviously starts to rust the quarter panel. So there is an easy solution to this, just so the bumper doesn't rub against your panel. And I'm going to be using some Gorilla tape. You could use any other clear tape so you don't see it. And all you need to do is run your tape down along the edge here, cut it back so it sits nice and flush or on the inside edge. That way your bumper rub against that rather than your quarter panel and rot them out. So I'm just going to get on with that now and we'll see how it turns out. So my tape's all fitted. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it. It's blended in that well. So that's all you need to really do is run some clear tape along here. Just cut as close as you can to the edge so you don't see it all the way around. Obviously my bumper's not going to rub through, it's fiberglass here. But I hope that little tutorial helps you out. Just to stop your quarter panels from rusting if you've just got them all blown in and had the rust treated and stuff. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the little notification bell. See you in the next one. Bye.